Okay, so stupid camera. It doesn't basically give me any warning if it's going to dump that video because of batteries. Anyway, where were we? Backups, right. Okay, so it knew about the tape drive. Okay, so we're ready to go there. Theoretically, that's all we need to do. Now, I don't remember much how to do this. So, map files. What is a map file? Okay, create a layout mapping of the logical to physical partitions for each logical volume in the volume group. This mapping is used to allocate the same logical to physical partition mapping when the image is restored. I'd imagine we'd want that, so we want to change that to yes. I can't imagine why we wouldn't want that. I don't want to exclude anything. I don't really care about a list. I do want to do that, new image, which doesn't say anything. Expand temp if necessary. When you choose space in the temp file system is temporarily used to create the boot image. Okay. Valid options are yes, no. If you enter yes, temp, you may expand the temp. Oh, okay, yes. We totally want to do that. Yes. Software packing of backup. What is that? We're disable compression. Okay. Is recommended if files are being modified when the backup is in progress, which it won't be. Modifying a file backup is corrupt the backup. No, so we should be okay. Number of blocks to write in a single output. Now this might be a thing. Okay. Specify the number of backups. Backups by name. Specify the number of 512 playback blocks for backups by inode. Okay. When writing to tape devices, default is 100 for backups by name and 32 by. Okay, the right size is the number of blocks multiplied. Okay, I don't know why we would. The right size must be an even multiple of the tape's physical block size. Okay, I have no idea if that's a thing. We blank to use system default. Okay, I'm pretty sure that's what we want to do, so I'm going to go ahead and hit enter. I can hear it sort of chugging away. The hard drive. I'll swing the camera over if it does anything with the tape drive. I don't know if it will or not. I remember we used to use, back when I used to administer these things, we used to use a exabyte 8mm drive. It kind of looked a lot like this. I'm trying to get that in there. This is the IBM branded one. This is, I think, a 4 gig tape or something. I forget exactly what it is. I could pop it in at some point. But we used the slightly larger exabyte drives, and we had to specify a 512-byte block for the tape. I'm pretty sure to make it a bootable tape. Now, that might not be a thing anymore either, because I've never done a DAT backup on an AIX machine, so, you know, this ought to be interesting. But, hey, here we are, no guts, no glory. Well, I don't know what it's doing. I'm trying to kind of feel the hard drive, and it's not doing anything there, but that doesn't mean anything. I can't feel anything, but there aren't exactly lights on the drives either, so. And I don't hear anything. So, I'm going to, oh, maybe? No? Okay. I'm going to turn off the tape, or the video here, so if something interesting happens, I will be back.